Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing Kali so Docker will run cleanly. First, update apt and install apt transport HTTPS, CA certificates, curl, and GNU-PG so package signing works. Once done, add Docker's GPG key and the official repo, then apt update and apt install Docker. EO to get the packaged engine. Next, start and enable the Docker service, add your user to the Docker group to avoid sudo every time, and verify with Docker run hello world, so you confirm the engine can fetch and run. Now you'll run and configure containers for real work. Pull a compact base like Alpine or Debian to save bandwidth, then run containers with explicit flags. Use D to detach, P to map ports, and V to mount host directories for persistent data. Make sure to set resource limits when needed. That prevents runaway containers on a pentest VM. Once running, use Docker PS to list, Docker logs to check output, and Docker execut to enter a container and validate services interactively. Finish by securing and cleaning your Docker environment so Kali stays usable. Remove clutter with Docker system prune and prune volumes to free disk space. Regularly update images to patch vulnerabilities. Make sure containers do not run as root and enable user namespaces or seccomp to reduce attack surface. If things go wrong, check systemtl status and journaltl udocker. Service for daemon errors, inspect /var/log for kernel messages, and confirm your kernel supports C groups and overlays, so the engine can create.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.